Okay, so I came across this awesome Gretsch video. It's Zach Danziger trying out the Catalina Club series. Check this out.
Speak well for that. I like to sometimes too.
Okay, so this happens all the time that I'll see something and I'll think, man, I want to learn that, right? I want to know what he's doing, but I need to slow it down. And I've done a video before showing how I use YouTube. You know, I'll upload the video to YouTube and I will use the playback speed feature, and that's awesome. But there's something I've been doing recently that has been working great. And it's a lot quicker. So I want to show you what that is. So with this video, let's just use this as an example. What I would do is I would actually screen capture. And I'm actually screen capturing my phone right now. But you'll see I swipe down and there's this button. I'm on an iPhone 12. But you know, if you've got an iPhone or you've got an Android, you can figure out how to screen capture on your device. So do that and make sure that you're recording internal audio. So I don't have my mic recording. It's actually just recording the audio from the device. So that's great. And then I'll go ahead and record the section that I want to record. And after you're done recording, it'll take that and it'll put it into your photos. So then what I like to do, again on an iPhone, I'm able to slow that clip down by bringing it quickly into iMovie. Okay? So if you don't have iMovie, you could probably find another app to do this. Hold on. Let's find iMovie. So we'll pull open iMovie. We'll hit this little plus button. We'll start a new movie. And then we will find the Zach Danziger recording. Where is it? I had one already made. And you're seeing all these pictures of my baby. Let's see. I think this is it right here. We'll just go with this. So we'll pick it, create the movie. It pulls it in. And then what we can do is, let's see.
Well for that.
Great. Okay, so there's the clip, and then what we want to do is slow it down. So we'll select the clip, go here, and you can see I can grab this little slider and I can pull it to 4/5. I can pull it to 2/3, and that's generally what I do. I just do 2/3 or 4/5. Any slower than that, it's not really usable. But let's just go ahead to 4/5 here, and let's see. So it'd be, hold on.
Well for that.
Okay, great. So I can slow it down, and then what I do is I jump on Mike's lessons. He's got the Groove Scribe tool, and I will play this back as many times as I need to be able to listen, hear what's going on, and then I will notate it using Groove Scribe. And then I'll practice it really slow, right? So right now I'm working through this, and I'll practice it at this speed. It'll sound like this. I've said this before, but it's not just about playing exactly what he plays here. I learn what he plays here because it sounds great, but I try to pull lessons from this, right? So I noticed that he's playing steady quarter notes on his hat, and he's working in different orchestrations. So I'll learn what he does, and then I'll kind of make my own orchestrations and go from there. Try to pull lessons out and not just copy exactly what's going on. So that's what I've been doing. The YouTube trick definitely still works, but this is faster. Just record it straight onto your phone, pull it into some kind of software like iMovie or whatever you have, slow it down. I should say when I slow it down, then I export and it goes back to my my photos. And then I've got, oh, little baby woke up. And then I've got the slower versions.
Well for that.
This is 2/3, or I've got the 4/5.
Swell for that.
Okay, so when it's practice time, I am able to pull those up, listen, and do what I need to do. So good stuff. I'd recommend you try this out and pay attention to drum videos that inspire you, you know, and keep tabs on them. Save them as you come across them. Put them in a, you know, favorite them on YouTube or whatever. If you're on Facebook, whatever you're on, make sure you save them. And you are learning from the best drummers out there, and then you can progress much faster. So hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you are finding value from Tempo League. Please subscribe. I'm putting out a video every week right now. Right now it's every Tuesday at 2 p.m. Videos are coming out. So I would love to hear your thoughts. If there's other videos you'd like me to make, let me know. I hope you have a great week. Thank you.